Hey guys, hello. This is me. I want to do unboxing of the Sony Soundbar model HT S100F. So you can see, 120 watts HDMI. It's got Bluetooth, S4. So don't know what that is. Dolby audio and clear audio. So clearly this thing is like a hit, and I hope it's gonna give me the value for my money. Okay, so guys, let's get on with unboxing. So guys, we're back. It's time for the audio test. So first I'm gonna give you the test of my laptop speaker, how it sounds. Then we're gonna put the sound of the soundbar, how it sounds. Okay, let's get on. So guys, that's how the sound of the laptop is without the speakers. Well, let's try put the speakers and hear how it sounds. So guys, to set it on Bluetooth, you touch this button right here. That's what you touch and it starts glowing blue. Shows you you're ready for Bluetooth. And let's try to connect. Yeah, I got it. It's connecting. Yep, it's connected. So HDF music. Well, it actually adds the sounds to my laptop when I tap the sound button. Let's hear how it sounds. Okay, that was unexpected. That was so loud, man. Let us take it down a notch. Then hear it. So guys, you can hear it. It's so loud and got a little woofer in it. Yeah, definitely good value for money, guys. I'd advise anyone who wants to buy the Sony soundbar. It's a good deal. Thanks guys, make sure to subscribe and to like for more unboxing videos.